I've been using Oxy Bleach for many years and I just love the results that I get with it. It's toxic free, so I don't use normal bleach anymore. The main reason for not using standard cleaning products is because of the ingredients and the toxicity associated with these ingredients and affecting our health in a negative way. And I use it mainly to clean my stinky kitchen towels, and I also use it in my automatic dishwasher machine. So it is super easy to use. When I buy it like everything else in bulk so that I can save a lot of money. I scoop out a bit and I work from this jar, and I've got a kettle of boiled water because the Oxy Bleach needs to be activated with boiled water. What I do is I take my washing up towel and I will put it in just a normal plastic container, and then I take half a tablespoon and I just sprinkle it over my towel. There you can see. Then I take my second towel. So for every towel I use half a tablespoon. Then I just sprinkle it over again, and then I also do the same with my drying towels because sometimes they also get stained. The benefits of the Oxy Bleach is that it will take out all the stains but without taking the color from your fabric. So I also use it on some of my white clothing. Another tablespoon, and just adding some hot water, and you will see that the hot water basically activates the Oxy Bleach. I'm just going to add a second one. I just want to make sure it's completely covered in enough hot water. Now I just leave it till it's completely cooled down before I wash the cloths. You can either wash them by hand or you can wash them in the washing machine. Normally when I've got several buckets, I prefer to do it in the washing machine just to save time, but because I've only got a few cloths in here, I can just do it in my kitchen sink, and just to save a bit of time. You can see how dirty the water is, and I'm just going to give them a good rinse. So they're nice and fresh. So you can use them immediately or you can put them on the line to dry. Another favorite use of mine is to use it in the dishwasher, and I only use half a tablespoon per load, and I put it in this soap dispenser. I just close it and it's ready to go. I also use a hot setting. I don't use the economical setting. I just find it works much more effective. These are definitely not the only products that you can use for these purposes, so do your research and find the best product that works for you, and you will also find that these products in the long run are a big money saver. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video. If you want to stay tuned to the videos that I'm making, remember to subscribe, and remember, take care of your health. It's precious.